In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to Minecraft Education Edition. To get started, you'll need a valid Microsoft account, such as an Office 365 education account provided by your school, college, or workplace. In most cases, you'll need an organization-provided email address to access the full version. Once you open Minecraft Education Edition, you'll see the sign-in option. Go ahead and click on it. If you don't have an eligible account, you may also have the option to try a demo lesson. However, for this tutorial, I'm going to sign in using my college account. After clicking Sign In, a Microsoft login window will open. Here, enter the email address provided by your school, college, or organization, and then click Next. You'll then be asked to enter your password. Enter it carefully and click Sign In. Depending on your account settings, Microsoft may ask you to complete an additional verification step. For example, you might receive a sign-in notification through the Microsoft Authenticator or Outlook app. Simply follow the instructions shown on your screen and complete the verification. After that, you may see an option asking whether you want to stay signed in across your apps and websites. Choose the option that works best for you. Once everything is verified, Minecraft Education Edition will begin loading the required resources. Give it a moment to finish. And there we go. We're now successfully signed into Minecraft Education Edition. You should see your account information on the main screen. Depending on your school or organization, your displayed name may be automatically connected to your account information, so some account details may not be customizable from inside the game. From here, you can start using Minecraft Education Edition and access the available lessons, worlds, and features provided by your organization. Just remember that Minecraft Education Edition generally requires an eligible school, college, or organizational account for full access. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.